Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
A story that almost never happened. Before Alibaba, before billions of dollars, before the world knew the name Jack Ma. There was a man nobody believed in, a man who failed almost every exam, a man who was rejected almost every time he tried. A man who was told directly, "You have no future." If Jack Ma had quit even once, Alibaba would never exist. This is not just the story of a company. This is the story of what happens when failure meets persistence. Today, Alibaba connects millions of sellers, billions of buyers. Almost every country on earth, but its beginning was painfully small. Let us go back to a tiny apartment in a forgotten moment of history where everything could have ended. Jack Ma, a boy who failed again and again. Jack Ma was born in 1964 in Hangzhou, China, to a poor family. He was bad at math, struggled in school, and failed his university entrance exam twice. While other students were progressing, Jack Ma felt left behind. But one thing made him different: curiosity about the outside world as a teenager. He used to ride his bicycle for 40 minutes every morning just to meet foreign tourists and practice English with them for free. That simple habit changed his life. Rejection was his daily routine. After graduating, Jack Ma applied for jobs everywhere. Rejected by KFC, 24 people applied, 23 were accepted. Jack Ma was the only one rejected. Rejected by the police, rejected by hotels, rejected by companies again and again. Even when the internet first came to China, Jack Ma didn't know how to use a computer, but destiny was waiting. The internet changed everything. In 1995, during a trip to the United States, Jack Ma saw the internet for the first time. He searched for the word China. Nothing appeared. That moment shocked him. He realized China has millions of factories, but no one in the world knows about them. That's when the idea was born. Help small businesses sell to the world. He borrowed money from friends and started his first internet company. It failed, but Jack Ma didn't quit. Alibaba is born 1999. In 1999, Jack Ma gathered 18 friends in his small apartment in Hangzhou. He had no tech background, no coding skills, no big investors. But he had one powerful vision: to make it easy to do business anywhere. They named the company Alibaba, inspired by the story Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, a name easy to remember globally. Their mission was simple: create an online marketplace where simple manufacturers could connect with global buyers. At first, nobody believed them. Survival mode, almost bankruptcy. Alibaba burned money fast. Employees were paid late. Servers were unstable. Competitors were stronger. At one point, Alibaba had only enough money to survive for a few months. Jack Ma told his team, "If we fail, at least we failed together." That honesty created loyalty. Facing the giant, Alibaba based eBay in the early 2000s. eBay entered China with massive money and power. Everyone thought Alibaba would die. Instead, Jack Ma launched Taobao, a free platform for sellers. While eBay charged fees, Taobao didn't result. Sellers rushed to Taobao. eBay lost China, Alibaba won. This was one of the greatest business upstarts in history. Trust changed everything. Alipay. Chinese consumers didn't trust online payments, so Jack Ma created Alipay, an escrow system. Buyer pays. Alibaba holds money. Seller gets paid only after delivery. People laughed at the idea. Today, Alipay processes trillions of dollars every year. Trust became Alibaba's secret weapon. The explosion. Singles Day. In 2009, Alibaba launched Singles Day, an online shopping festival. Past year sales small. Now, largest shopping event in human history, bigger than Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined billions of dollars sold in minutes. Alibaba goes global. Alibaba expanded into AliExpress, Alibaba.com. In 2014, Alibaba went public on the New York Stock Exchange. It became the largest IPO in history at the time. Jack Ma, the man once rejected everywhere, was now a global icon. Jack Ma's leadership philosophy. Jack Ma believed customers come first, employees second, shareholders last. He focused on long-term vision, not short-term profits. He once said, "Today is hard, tomorrow is harder, but the day after tomorrow is beautiful." Alibaba's story teaches us failure is not the end. Vision matters more than skills. Persistence beats talent. Small beginnings can lead to massive empires. If this story inspired you, remember every giant company once started small, every successful entrepreneur once failed. Your story might just be getting started. Like, subscribe, and comment. Never give up.